From raw materials to cutting-edge technology, let's break down the steps in the solar panel manufacturing process. So, how are these marvels made? It starts with the raw material, high-quality silicon, refined to near perfection. This silicon is then melted and cooled into solid ingots, the foundation of our solar cells. Next, these ingots are sliced into thin wafers, given a special coating to enhance their sunlight absorption. It's here that the magic happens. A semiconductor junction is formed between positive and negative silicon layers, creating the solar cells that power our world. These cells are interconnected, forming a module, a solar panel. Rigorously tested and quality assured, these panels are ready to catch the sun. So, next time you see a solar panel, remember the journey it took, from silicon to sunlight.